Hey everyone, it's Crystal with Wreaths of Circle Creek. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to make a happy fall y'all wreath. I actually got kicked out of the kitchen, so we're in the, the catch-all room. This is where I make signs, and then I guess if we have a guest, it's a guest room. So how many of y'all have rooms like that? Okay. But this is a kit that I have in the shop, and what comes with this kit, it's a 12-inch sign, Happy Fall Y'all. And then it comes with these ribbons. Let me see if I can show you. So you can kind of see that. There's a glare from the camera there. And then it will come with these ribbons. I like this. These are really nice ribbons right here. These 1.5 with the fringe. But this 2.5 is so cute because you got all the different colors. You have that orange, you have that moss green, you have that smoke blue in there, which matches your sign because we have the smoke blue, the burgundy, the moss green. So that's going to go together. And with this kit, you also get the mesh. Now you can use both meshes or use one and save the other one, but you get the moss green farmhouse plaid faux jute mesh. Such a beautiful mesh. And then you get the smoke blue farmhouse plaid mesh. And so that, I'm actually going to try them together. And the form I'm going to use is this one that makes a 24-inch wreath. This is has 18 ties on it. So I think the method I'm going to use, probably the ruffle, the woodland ruffle. I'm going to cut 9 of these at 30 and 9 of these at 30. And then we're just going to alternate them around. And then I'm going to cut 18 of these, the 2.5, but then we're going to trade out the 9 of each of these. So you're going to need 9 cuts of this one, 9 cuts of this one, and 18 cuts of this one for the form, if you have a form like this. The form does not come with the kit, just the mesh, the ribbon, and the sign, because everyone likes their different ways of doing forms. I'm just using this one today. If you do like these, I do have some of these in my shop. So yeah, so we're going to do the Happy Fall Y'all wreath. So if you want to join me, please stay tuned. And I'm going to get everything cut, and then we're going to start. Also, I want to give you a discount. If you do like this kit, I'll give you 15% off. When you go to my store, it's reachthecirclecreek.com, and I'll list it below. If you type in happy, all caps, 15 at checkout, you'll get 15% off this kit. Okay, so I'm going to be back, and I'm going to turn this camera down so we can look at the table, and let's get making the wreath. See you soon. Okay guys, so we have our mesh cut. I cut these at 30. This is the smoke blue mesh, and then we also have the moss green, and we're just going to alternate them. So let's see. So let's do it this way. So we're just going to roll it. 1, 2, 3, and then just gather it with your fingers, walking it up, and then when you get to the end, 1, 2, 3, and then gather it. And you have like a pretty little woodland ruffle, and then put it here. Open up your tie, and then we're going to put it here. Push it down. 1, 2, and kind of spread it out. It's going to be kind of neat to see what it's like. And then we're going to take the moss green and do the same thing. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to open this door. Be right back. My puppy Dixie was outside, and she heard her scratching the door. That means she went back in. She likes being outside in that sun, but it is so hot out there. We live in Cleveland, Texas. It's like been 101 degrees with no rain. It's just hot with poor plants and everything. They need water. So you're just going to do the curl and then ruffle it up and gather in the middle. And then you're just kind of doing like this. So you can go up, you can go down a little bit too. You can do different ways. So these curls are up. Maybe I want to put these curls down, or maybe I want to put them up. Let's just see what it looks like doing it that way. So I'm going to put the curls down. Push it in the middle. And then tighten it. And kind of pull this out. Yeah, and then go on to your next one. And do the smoke blue. So I'm just going to curl it. 1, 2, 3. Gather it. And then when we get to the end, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. And then gather in the middle. And do your curls up on this one. Let's see. Try not to get rid of snaps. There we go. And just push it down. 1, 2. And it's in there. It's going to be interesting to see what the moss green and the smoke blue next to each other looks like with the ribbon. See how it kind of blends in a little bit with the sign. And let's see. So all I'm going to do is just keep doing the same thing, going all the way around my wreath. I'm going to do the same thing on the top, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put the ribbons in so you can see that. Okay, all right, so I'm going to keep doing that and we'll come back. Hey guys, we're back. I got the mesh on, really full. I love that faux jute plaid mesh. It's pretty cool. I know it says it's going to do the ribbons, but I'm actually going to put the sign on first. I don't know. Sometimes I do the ribbon first, sometimes the sign. Sometimes I like to do the sign because then you get it placed in there, and then when you put the ribbons, I can kind of shape it around it. So then I'm just going to put my sign in, and I have them, I just took a jewelry puncher and punched holes in the metal sign, and then I just took the wire and these weaving needles, which will help me tie them onto the back. So I'm just going to stick this through. Sometimes I try to find a spot where I'm not going where a tie is. So then I'm just going to put this in and find, there we go, pull this up, find the wire. Oh, can't see, can ya? So I'll have to fix that camera. I can't right now, but put that in. And just kind of tie it to the wire. I use the, these have 3 wires. So right now I'm filling, and I'm actually going to the middle. And pull that up. And then I'll do the bottom. And then I kind of, sometimes I go through my mesh, but sometimes I try not to. But sometimes going through that mesh gives it a good support too, because you have it behind it. This has a good amount of mesh. So I'm just going to find that wire again. Kind of just fill it with my fingers here. What wreaths are y'all working on? Are y'all doing Halloween, fall, or have y'all moved on to Christmas? What about back to school wreaths? Anybody doing those? I haven't done one of those. It'd be kind of fun. So yeah, I'm just kind of not tightening it too much until I get it placed, but just wrapping it around this wire back here. Just kind of filling it. And then I bring my mesh about. So it's in there. So it's in there. And then I'll take these wires, which helps me bring them up a little bit more, and I'll push this through. Kind of in between I cover it up with the mesh. I'm going to pull this one up a little bit. Then I usually reposition the sign to get it all taken care of. I'm probably the worst with the signs. But they say just keep practicing, right? So I'm just going around the wire here, in there. I got one more. I'm trying not to, let's see if I can get it through, not the mesh. Okay, this one, oh, I didn't get it through with no mesh being caught. Let's pull that in. I like that sign. That orange background's pretty cool because it makes the words pop out. And those pumpkins are pretty. I can't believe we're already into August, guys. Time just goes by so fast now, huh? Okay. So that sign is in there. You got it? Show you the back. I need to cut the wires off. I got a needle coming out. So then I'm going to go through with my wire cutters and cut off those weaving needles. You see back there? And then we'll come back and do the ribbons. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I raised the camera up just a little bit to be able to see a little better. But there we have it. We have our mesh with the woodland ruffles with the curls and the gathered method. And we've got our moss green and our smoke blue and our happy fall y'all sign. Now we just got to put on the ribbons, and I have them cut. I cut these at 12 inches and then I dovetailed the ends. So it's so cute. I think that's going to be really cute on there. So I'm just going to take my ribbon and just going to start. Take my ribbon here and I'm going to grab one of the beige colors here and I'm just going to fold it and gather the middle. I'm just going to put them in your tie. 1, 2. I like these thick ones. Something, you know, I won't be cutting these down. I'll leave them in the wreath. I think that would look good. But then you just kind of position your ribbons the way you like them. And then you go to the next one. We'll do the bright orange with this one. I think this ribbon's fun. I love pumpkins. Do y'all love pumpkins? Cute. Just cute, cute, cute. Uh-oh. Let me hit my mouse here. I think it was saying we may have performance issues. Well, I'm hoping not. The camera's saying on the screen there. 1, 2. And then you can position these how you want them. Kind of look at the sign, maybe go this way. Kind of curl them out a little bit. Like that. And do the top so you can kind of see what it's looking like. But I'm going to do the same thing on every tie. I'm just going to change out the 1.5 inch ribbon. So this one, open your tie, get your 2.5 in your beige. And just kind of do this like a crisscross, fold it, and then gather in the middle. And then fan it out. Let's see. And then put it in here. 1, 2. I like the colorful pumpkins. It's fun. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the camera off and keep doing the rest of it, and then I'll show you our finished wreath. Be back soon. Okay, here is the happy fall y'all wreath. Can you see that? good size wreath. Turned out pretty cute. I love that mesh. But thank y'all for watching, and if you're interested in one of these kits, please go to wreathscirclecreek.com and I have it there. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.